G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today's April 24, 2023. This is the iron ore price update. Since our last update, the price has decreased again, dropped further. So today on opening, it's actually dropped another substantial amount. And you can see here we're all in a shorting position on all time frames, on the daily, the 4 hourly and the hourly, and I'll go through each of the timelines. So on the daily first, we did draw this support area at 776, and it's broken through that on our last update, and we had this resistance here at 858, but also we had these two diagonal ascending and descending trend lines. Now you'll notice I've drawn this Fibonacci retracement from that high to that low, and last update it was approaching the 50%, and overnight or this morning it's broken down through the 50%, now approaching the 61%. Now this is going to be a key area, because if it could actually bounce from around this area, or if it falls further to the downside from 61, we're going to see further declines closer to this ascending trend line. So again, primarily short positions on this one, or if you're trading stocks, this is something to look out for mining stocks in particular. In terms of the 4 hour chart, likewise, there's not much to say here apart from the fact that it's actually broken to the downside on the CCI 1500, our key indicator of trend, and that's also the moving average on that is also turned to the downside. Now on the hourly, I'll draw out on this one. You can see there that's what we drew, the Fibonacci retracement on the daily. It's coming down and approaching, broken through the 50% and now approaching the 61%, and that was shown on the daily chart as well. But on the hourly, we've also drawn this Fibonacci extension. Now it went as far as the 100% on our last update, and now it's coming and closing down towards the 61%, 161% extension, or which is coinciding with a 61% retracement from that higher range we talked about on the daily. So at the moment, primarily short positions, and in terms of some trading ideas, again, I use the fractals and I'll take short incremental gains. So when the price is, or when this indicator is declining like it is here, and that's in alignment with the higher time frames, I enter the trade when the candle breaks to the downside of the fractal. I don't enter in when it's outside of the fractal. I enter when it initially breaks to the downside and take any monetary or percentage gains. So you could have gone short there, you could have gone short there, there, and so on. And that would have been a nice little extension. So have you taken that little trade there as well? Again, I like using percentage or monetary gains. I'll leave it up to you to take percentage or any particular gain that you see fit, whether it's a change of moving average or something that suits your style. Again, to understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe and support us more on Patreon. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.